Hi friends, welcome to Usha Multigun Kitchen, another session of beautiful cooking. So today what I'm going to talk to you about is, I'm, as you can see, making methi ka paranthe. Methi ka parantha, or basically paranthas are just Indian flatbread. An Indian flatbread made up of methi leaves. And what I mean by methi leaves is in English it's called fenugreek leaves. One of the very, very healthy leaves on earth. It has a little bit of a bitterness to it, and it has lots and lots of nutrients. So I want to club this into two different types of things I want to cover in this video. One is how to roll out a methi ka parantha and how to actually make them on the stove right there. You can see it's being made. And also next I would like to demonstrate how to use this rolling pin, because a lot of people are finding very, very challenging to use the rolling pin. I mean, this is a few of my friends, when they came over, they said they started complaining about how heavy this is, how hard it is to use. No guys, it's really easy. So take a little bit of the dough, dip it in the dry flour, put it on the center. With a very little pressure, we keep moving. And honestly, I mean, people use this for pizza, rolling out pizza dough, pasta dough and all that very comfortably, but for Indian cooking specifically, people find it hard. So give it a little pressure. It's very, very no-nonsense type of a rolling pin. Just need to give a little bit of a pressure. No pressure even necessary actually. And just keep rolling, because the rolling pin itself has a lot of weight to it. It is made up of marble, so has a lot of weight to it itself. So it just keeps rolling evenly and creates that rolling that you need, the even thinness across the rolled chapati dough. As you can see, as simple as that. I'll make a few more in front of you just to give it a little bit of a demo
from
here.
Start to finish, that would be better.
Yes.
If you could provide us.
Absolutely, from start to finish. Why not? So yeah, that's a little bit of so let's make it small. So we'll get it started. So I'm going to take a little bit of a dough here, as you can see on my hands. This is not floured, wet dough, just made, fresh. I'm going to have it ready as a round flour. Dip it in the dry flour here and press it a little bit. It's about pressing it a little bit, just to give it a little get start, heads up, and then start rolling. Just like that. Very easy. And I'm making it a little bit thicker because I'm making chapati today. When we make methi ke paranthe or chapati, we try to keep it a little bit thicker, not as thin as a typical roti would be. So you can see it's almost done. There you go. And then shift it to the stove.
So, the second step.
The second step would be just to continue on the stove and allow it to get that little brown spots on the surface, as you can see.
Okay.
And now you can add that little bit of fat, whether it is ghee, whether it is oil, it's entirely up to you. And we Indians always like to make breads at home, and honestly, that's the healthiest way to eat. We never buy store-bought bread. Okay, beautiful. All brown, nice, golden brown on the spot, and we're done.
Okay, thank you very much. I hope
Thank
this video
you.
gives you to create an Indian bread. And please subscribe to our channel, and we'll come up with another tips. Thank you.